छात्रसिंहना थाक्सी थाक्सी बेमा यावतनसि चाबिबिना करि हुनना वारामते बताओ
अहाँसिंहसि अपाबला नीलपुरम हाताल ओजासिंह अपुनिया
हाय वाफमनसि ओजामना यागबनिना मीटिंग असि स्वायदा लोसिलसि मीटिंग दिस
Okay, everybody, sit down. So, you guys are very less money than the previous exam. So, we will try to focus on our studies. So, please listen carefully. And today's topic is about the Russian Revolution. So, generally, the Russian Revolution are a chain of events that happened in October 1970. And the Russian Empire in 1914 was ruled by Tsar Nicholas II. Then, the empire included current Finland, Latvia, Lithuania, Estonia, parts of Poland, Ukraine, and Belarus. It stretches to the Pacific and comprises today's Central Asian states as well as Georgia, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. So, from this, I would like to ask a question. So, what is Russian Revolution?